How to use Amazon gift card to buy another gift card. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Amazon gift card to buy another gift card. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you need Amazon gift card. Then open Amazon app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Then search gift card. Then select a gift card. You can choose any gift card. Then type the email here and click on buy now. As you can see here, credit and debit card option. Tap on here. Then you need to type your Amazon gift card information here. Then you can continue and buy the gift card. So that's basically how you can use Amazon gift card to buy another gift card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.